Hi guys, this is Dave De Leon of RCD Enterprise. This is our 5th vlog. So pakikita natin na hindi puro bahay, condo units, renovation na ginagawa ng RCD Enterprise. We also build swimming pool like this. Itong swimming pool na to ang pag-aari ng Bautista family dito sa may Antipolo City, Barangay Inarawan. So guys, let's check it out.
You stay on the west side when the sun stay high, and you stay high. I'm out on the next flight, I'll be back late night. I owe you some time.
Feel like you falling, falling, falling. Let it slowly hit you. I feel it too. When the money hits you, you got the moves. Let the flames kiss you. Wanna see you lost in it all. Then we go flex on them all. All the packs go straight to the wall. All the ice don't matter, all the flights don't matter. All the nights I wonder, my new whip, new drip, new money coming in, everything but you. Got new rings, new links, new man coming up with everything on you.
You stay on the west side when the sun stay high, and you stay high. I'm out on the next flight, I'll be back late night. I owe you some time. You stay on the west side when the sun stay high, and you stay high. I'm out on the next flight, I'll be back late night. I owe you some time.
You know I got new whips, new drip, new money coming in, everything but you. You know I got new rings, new links, new man coming up with everything on you.
High beams hard in the dark side. You never been with the small talk. You never been with a real one. You just wanna feel something. Roll me one, let's get lost. I'm being honest, feeling you're always strong when you on that strong. We could be something. Look at that fire, eyes with desire. Baby girl, taking me back to the blue. Reflections of me on my chains and my rings. None that shine brighter than you. You stay on the west side when the sun stay high, and you stay high. I'm out on the next flight, I'll be back late night. I owe you some time. You stay on the west side when the sun stay high, and you stay high. I'm out on the next flight, I'll be back late night. I owe you some time.
Look at that fire, eyes with desire. Baby girl, baby girl.
Ako nga pala si Ryan Bautista, of one of the owners of KRB MX Speedway, located at Sitio Puting Bato, Barangay Inarawan, Antipolo City. Dito po sa amin sa trucks namin, meron po kaming tinatawag na ino-offer na flat track, MX truck, and then training course, off-road training course na mga gusto matuto mag-off-road. At bukod dun, hindi lang puro trucks, meron din kaming infinity pool na gawa ng RCD Enterprises. Yung KRB MX Speedway, nag-offer sila ng pwede kayo mag-camp and ride, camp and swim, ride and swim. Lahat ng gusto nyo gawin na outdoor activity, pwede namin i-offer sa inyo. Like camping, ganyan. Mga natawag na group training, mga parties dito sa pool, meron kami pwesto sa inyo lahat. Here only at KRB MX Speedway. And also we have a KRB 81 hostel. Kung gusto nyo mag-overnight or mag-staycation, meron tayong hostel for accommodation. For inquiries, just text us at 0947-551-682. Ang masasabi ko sa gawa ni RCD Enterprise, napakaganda. Bukod dun sa planning na ginagawa namin na gusto namin mangyari, mas naging maganda pa yung mga nagawa nila. Tulad ng mga shade ng sa pool, sila lahat may gawa. Lahat ng advice nila, mas padagdagan pang mas maganda, pwede nyo nang si RCD ang mag-nine. Yung umbrella na ginawa ni RCD, parang racing pa rin, racing spirit pa rin, gawa sa, ginaya niya sa Sepang, yung parang shade. So, meron din siyang mga ideas na pwede niyang sabihin sa inyo. Nakikita niyo naman kung gaano yung kinalabasan. Napakaganda. Para tayo nasa ibang lugar, pero mas malapit tayo, within Manila. Tayo pinamalapit. Kung gusto nyo ng staycation nga, nandito tayo sa overlooking yung pool. Makikita nyo dun yung trucks, flat trucks, and MX trucks. Dito sa may poolside sa KRB.
Guys, ito ang pinaka-attraction namin dito sa may KRB swimming pool. So So we build an umbrella, a different umbrella. Kung makikita ninyo, baliktad yung shading niya. Actually, we inspired by Sepang Malaysian Circuit. So makikita ninyo yung tower na Sepang doon. Doon ko kinopya yung inspiration ko na yan para magawa ko to. Pero sa mga nagtatanong kung bakit siya nakabaliktad, unang-una, kaya ko siya binaliktad para makita yung atmosphere sa loob, makita yung design ng loob. Then, tinatanong nyo rin kung saan napupunta yung nasasalo niya tubig. So, naglagay kami ng isang tube sa loob nito, na PVC tube sa loob nito, going down, hanggang papunta sa shoreline. So, yun lang, yun ang craziest thing na ginawa namin dito. Sana, nagustuhan nyo. Sino tayo?
I'm Rowie Bautista and nandito tayo ngayon sa loob ng KRB compound. Right now, we're here at the pool area of the KRB. And as you can see, we're building the track, the motocross track. Pagkatapos nung flat track. And nandito rin yung KRB 81 hostel and yung school ni Coach Mel Aquino. Ito lahat to, by idea to ng airpot namin, ng daddy namin. So sa tulong ng mga kaibigan, including the RCD Enterprise and Mr. Dakigan, ang aking nawawalang kapatid. Ayan, nauunti-unti na namin. And guys, kung gusto nyo ma-experience itong KRB, itong pool, itong racetrack, and the flat track, the hostel and the school, mag-inquire lang kayo sa amin. Ayan na. So,
Guys, dito sa view ng swimming pool, makikita natin ang napakagandang racetrack ng KRB. Nakikita rin natin banda doon ng KRB Hostel 81. Nandito ang school ground ni Mel Aquino Off-Road Training Camp. And nandun yung pinakamalaking flat track sa buong Pilipinas. Ngayon, dinidevelop na yung racetrack maigi. So, fine tuning na kumbaga ng racetrack. So, don't forget to check it out. Barangay Inarawan, Antipolo, napakalapit sa lahat along Marcos Highway. Kaya-kaya ninyo pumunta anytime na gusto nyo pumunta, napakalapit lang sa inyo. Kaya bahala kayo sa buhay nyo, pumunta kayo hanggat gusto nyo.
Tindakan lang yan eh.
Guys, kasama natin si Willie Ross at si Joel Sabala. Ite-testing natin swimming pool kung gaano siya kasarap. Halika na! Sarap. Guys, thank you sa pagsama sa amin dito sa KRB Infinity Swimming Pool. So kung gusto niyo ma-experience to dito sa KRB, kontakin nyo lang si Ryan Bautista, Rowie Bautista, or si Job San Jose. For inquiry or pwede kayong dumiretso dito sa may Barangay Inarawan, Antipolo City, along Marcos Highway. So guys, after namin mag-swimming, pupunta naman tayo ng Pasay. Bibisitahin natin ang showroom na ginagawa natin kay Mr. Jason Park. So, napakasarap ng buhay namin. Kaya, bahala na rin kayo sa buhay nyo. Mabuhay kayo hanggang gusto nyo. Para sa mahina ng ang pahinga!
Shoutout nga pala sa tropang Ukimay!
Shout out to RB Boys!
Shoutout!
Gago!